Step 14. Creating your Amazon listing. Your product listing is your digital storefront. A well-optimized listing can make the difference between no sales and bestseller status. Start in Seller Central. Add a product. Create new listing. In Seller Central, click Add a product and choose Create a new listing. Select the correct category for your item. Write a strong title. Main keyword first. Key features included. Place your main keyword at the start of the title, then highlight your product's most important features. Bullet points in description. Focus on benefits. Include secondary keywords. Use the bullet points to focus on benefits, not just features. Add secondary keywords naturally in both bullets and description. High-quality images, white background, lifestyle and detail shots. Upload high-quality images with a pure white background, plus lifestyle and close-up shots to show details. Backend keywords, hidden search terms. Add backend keywords in Seller Central. These hidden search terms help your product appear in more searches. Pricing strategy, competitive launch price. Set a competitive launch price to encourage initial sales and reviews, then adjust as demand grows. Up next, Step 15. Launching your product. With your listing live, it's time to launch your product and start driving traffic. That's our next step.